Once our business is officially established, what is your advice on opening a business bank account, and if there is a specific bank account you recommend using? I know you've covered credit cards specifically for cashback benefits, but how would or how does it fit within the framework of a business bank account? So that's a good question, Josh. Honestly, I don't recommend any specific bank account. I use Ally for my business bank account because it's online and I don't really ever go and manage it. I can literally just manage it online. How I basically do it is I have one card, right? I used to actually have a business credit card, and then I would have one business bank account, and anything that I spent on my business credit card would literally be a business expense, right? And everything that came into my business bank account would be income, right? And then I just had QuickBooks to manage that, and I literally set the parameters in QuickBooks Self-Employed that every expense obviously came off, and I'd categorize them as some of them were apps and software for Jungle Scout or Scan Unlimited and weekly and monthly subscriptions like that. Other ones were cost of goods when you're buying products and stuff like that, right? And then I'd also have the categories of income, right? Mercari, Poshmark, Amazon, eBay, and then obviously some affiliate revenue because I recommend some affiliate products in my course and stuff like that. And then I categorize them all, right? And it makes it really, really easy from that aspect because I just keep it simple. I just recommend one business bank account, and then you can also even use, it's probably even better, and it's what I do now, it's what I'm moving towards. So I can kind of focus on my cash flow aspect of exactly what's coming in and coming out every single month. And I take the variable of the business credit card out of it. I still have it, I just don't use it because I have enough cash flow constantly to just expense out of my business bank account. The whole thing I'm trying to say here is I don't think it honestly really matters what business bank account you use. And quite frankly, you can even use just a normal bank account and then use that as a business bank account if you don't feel like paying the fee. If you do go the business bank account route, I'd recommend just making sure that you have one that has a minimal fee and isn't hitting you with hidden transaction fees if you don't make enough transactions every single month. That's one mistake that I made in the past. I had all these hidden fees that if I didn't spend enough that month or I didn't use my account enough that month, and that's just another headache that you don't want to have to deal with as a business owner. You don't want to have to be going down the checklist of did I make 3 transactions from here and did I use the AT? You don't want any of that stuff. So best advice is it doesn't matter what bank account you use or what bank, obviously. Just keep it simple, have one bank account, and then use something like QuickBooks Self-Employed to manage all your income and all your expenses, so you can literally look at it and literally see this is what you're bringing in every month, this is what you're spending, obviously, and you can even go as far as categorizing it as this is what you brought in from Amazon, this is what you brought in from eBay, from Mercari, Poshmark, etc. Right? So hope that helps, but honestly, best way is just keep it simple and use a software like QuickBooks to manage it. Don't overdo it. I see a lot of people have multiple PayPal accounts and multiple business accounts and multiple business bank accounts and multiple credit cards. Don't do that because then it gets complicated. Just keep it simple.